In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file to an email in Outlook. This process is straightforward, but it requires a few specific steps to ensure everything goes smoothly. Whether you're sending an important document to a colleague or sharing photos with friends, knowing how to attach files correctly is essential for effective communication. So let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook login page. You can find it by going to the Microsoft 365 website and selecting the Outlook login option. It's important to note that ensuring you are on the official Outlook website will help protect your account from phishing attempts. Once you're on the right page, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your Outlook email information. It's helpful to have your login credentials on hand, your email address and password. As you enter your email, make sure to double check that there are no typos or errors. After typing in your email address, click on Next. This will take you to the password entry screen. Here you'll need to enter your password. As a quick tip, if you use a password manager, this process can be much faster and more secure. If you don't use one, make sure that your password is strong and memorable. After entering your password, click on Sign In to access your Outlook inbox. Once you're logged in, you might be prompted with a security dialog asking if you'd like to stay signed in. Clicking yes can save time in the future, especially if you're working from a personal computer. However, if you're on a shared or public computer, it's safer to click no to protect your account from unauthorized access. Now, you're inside your Outlook inbox. The next step is to navigate to the mail section if you aren't already there. Outlook typically defaults to this section, but it doesn't hurt to double check. With your inbox open, look for the New Mail button. It's usually located at the top left corner of your window and is highlighted to catch your attention. Click on it to open a new email draft. In the new email window, you have a blank canvas to create your message. Before we get to the attachments, you might want to fill in the recipient details and the subject line, just to ensure everything is in order when you send it out. It's also a good idea to draft out the body of your email at this point so you're sure everything is ready to go. Now let's move on to attaching your file. Look for the attach option within the new mail interface. It commonly appears as a paperclip icon. Clicking on it will bring up various options such as browsing your computer, selecting a file from OneDrive, or choosing a recent file. Depending on where your file is located, select the appropriate option. If you're selecting a document from your local device, make sure you know where to find it quickly to avoid any unnecessary delays. Once you've found the file you want to attach, click to add it to your email. It might take a moment for the file to upload depending on its size and your internet connection. Keep an eye on the loading bar to ensure the attachment has completed uploading before you send your email. This ensures your recipient can access the file immediately without any issues. Before sending out your email, it's a good idea to review everything once more. Check the recipient's email address, the subject, and the content of your message. Make sure that your attachment appears where you expect it. If everything looks good, you're ready to hit send. And there you have it. You've successfully attached a file to an email in Outlook. This skill is invaluable for both personal and professional use, and mastering it can help streamline your communication. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.